Hey, this is Joe with Black Koi Water Features. We're doing another project. This project here is a pondless waterfall. So we're working in Asheville, North Carolina. Got my sidekick Brandon right here. Brandon's the foreman. So you want to tell him about the project?
Yeah, so we just got a 20-foot waterfall going up a little bit past the mini, and we're trying to figure out where exactly the best place for the basin would be, because after we get done over here, they're going to be putting a deck in, so we don't want to put anything in the way of that. So just trying to figure that out and building the first terrace, and yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes.
Back day 2 on this project. Yesterday we hit bedrock, which is unusual because we hit it on the last job, but we got through it. We had to adjust the shape of the basin a little bit, but it's looking pretty good. Made some good progress. So the basin is done, as you can see. So this is where our water volume is stored, and then the pump goes in here and just recirculates. I think this job is pretty cool because this is a typical job for us. All right, so the game plan for today is we got our boulders coming soon, and it's actually snowing out now. So our boulders are coming soon. We're gonna try to get all the rocks set today in this waterfall. So you can see how it's kind of roughed in, but that shape is probably going to change completely once we see these boulders. I hand-picked them out the other day. They are perfect for this job. So it's pretty exciting. Other than the snow, it's going to be a great day.
So we just got a bunch of rocks placed, so everything's been going pretty smooth. We're really excited about how it's looking so far, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit and let you know how it's going.
This is a really exciting job because we were brought in by our landscape architect Jennifer with Bare Root Designs, and she designed a beautiful backyard. There's a deck going in there. The landscaping has already been brought up to where the water feature is going, so that's about 80% complete. So we're gonna put this water feature in, and the idea is for them to sit out on the deck and have like a meditation area so they can just sit back and relax and take all the stresses away, as that's what water features do. When you are next to a water feature, it just takes the stress away.
Sweet. Well, I got my cowboy hat. We're ready to go.
It's not a cowboy hat. Yeah, because it curves up.
Yeah. I'm sure they're going to be very happy with that.
Yeah, we did good.
Cool. So you want to finish rocking this in?
Do you want to eat lunch or do this? I'm fine either way. I mean, you're ready to
do this real
slap
quick.
it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Here's our little juice box knife dispenser. So while we're digging these out, a lot of times we'll find really interesting finds out in the dirt. So like this is solid gold pipe, which you can find in the early 1600s when they would build houses. They would use their plumbing out of pure gold. And like this, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex femur, which is a very rare find. We can make some good side hustle ching with that. And over here, this is pottery, probably from the Bible times. It's a very rare find, and just really exciting whenever you pull these things up.
So just a few more hours and we'll be finished. I'm gonna leave that to you.
All right, sounds good. Well, we'll touch base tomorrow. So we're almost done over here. We just got a few little loose ends to tie in. We got to get this thing all plumbed up. We didn't have the ability to do that yesterday, and got to finish up some foaming. There's a few spots that maybe weren't foamed 100%, and then just touching up some things around the edge with some cobbles and getting the main line for the lights tied in. Just a couple little things, and we'll touch base with you soon.
We are all done. The feature's looking so good. This is we're sitting at the top of the waterfall. We actually extended it like 6 to 8 feet, so I'm sitting at the very top. It just looks so good. It's quite the transformation. We still got a little bit of work to do. The landscapers are here doing some grading and excavating, putting in a new driveway. There still is a deck to come, so the deck is going to get put in where they're putting in that drain right there. When you're sitting at the deck, the feature is just going to hit you perfectly. When you're standing at every angle of the deck, it's just going to be like right at eye level. It's going to look so good. So this project was given to us by Jennifer with Bare Root Designs. She's an amazing landscape architect. She's going to come in when all the landscaping is done and the deck is in. And what I love about her style is she's a landscape architect that actually likes to get dirty. So she's going to come in here and bring this garden so much personality. She loves colors. She's so good with all the different perennials. I cannot wait to come back and see what a phenomenal job she's going to do. No pressure, Jennifer. So we were originally going to stop the waterfall here, and we decided that it would just add so much more value just to extend it a little bit. So the idea is to put a fire pit area in this area. So when you're sitting here enjoying a nice cozy fire, this waterfall is right here, and it just looks so good. Like, we designed this to be a good view from here, but when you're down there, it just makes, especially when you're sitting on top of where the deck elevation is going to be, it just added so much more value to have this. I'm so glad we did this. It just looks so good. Joe with Black and White Water Features. Thank you guys so much for watching. We transformed this blank canvas and built this amazing water feature. If you guys are looking for a water feature in Asheville, North Carolina, or in Greenville, South Carolina, I'd love to talk. Thank you.